We're unpacking a 2-pack of C-clamps, heavy-duty 8-inch wide mouth opening with a swivel gimbal. It has a threaded bar and a bar that slides in and out about 2 to 3 inches. You could tighten and loosen, do your woodworking and welding. If you need to hold two things together, make your cuts and more. Clamping is as easy as just opening up, adjusting on, tightening each end down. 2 clamps is very helpful to do additional work, and you're able to do anything possible with C-clamps. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you're looking for to do your woodwork, welding, and so forth as an added hand to hold things into place. Measures 4 inches across, 11 inches from top to bottom, 8 inches from opening. I have a piece of wood that I need to hold together. I slide it on. I tighten down while gluing, repairing, whatnot. Enjoy your product if these are right for you.